Hi everyone, got a great new product for you. It's the X100 cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner with double roller brush by UWANT. This device has a one-touch self-cleaning
hair cutting in progress.
The base station will cut off hair on the roller brushes and automatically scrub them at a high speed to keep them perfectly clean. The X100 wet dry vacuum cleaner has an incredible amount of run time. It can run up to 44 minutes per run, which means you can clean your house or apartment on all those floors that need to be cleaned in one easy charge. With its ultra-fast charger, allows for quick charging in less than 3 hours. Folks, you can pick up this X100 cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner on the UWANT's official website for an astonishing price of $407.35. What a great deal for this thing. This thing is high-tech all the way around. I really like it. A smart wet dry vac. And I will leave that quick link down below for quick and easy access. All right, let's move on to the open boxing and the hands-on review. This is the X100 cordless all-in-one floor cleaner. So let's open up the box, see what comes inside. And of course, first thing we see is the owner's manual, and it's very complete. Covers just about everything you can think of. Next, we have something that's a nice touch. They have an envelope. You open it up, and it's a thank you card for purchasing their products. And next you see the cleaning tool, and this is a great little tool. It's got a brush on the end, and also a little slicer to remove the hair from the roller brush, and a small measuring cup to measure up the cleaning solution. And next you can see they provide you with an extra HEPA filter, which is really nice. All right, and even provide you with your own cleaning solution. And on the back, of course, it tells you how to mix it up. All right, and we have our power adapter. And next we have our handle. On one end of it, you can see we have the contacts. On the other end, you can see we have the power button and the mode button. And this is the upright with the contacts you can see on the bottom here for the charging base. All right, and you see here they give us an extra roller brush. That's very nice. And all these accessories you see here, you can also purchase on Amazon. Okay, and next we have the main unit. We'll get the plastic off it here and pull it out and let everybody see it. All right, standing the unit up, spinning around in the back. There's a quick release for a clean water tank, and you can see it here. Taking a look at the front, we're going to peel the plastic off your LCD screen. All right, and in the front of it, we have a quick release handle that pulls out to our wastewater tank, as you can see here. And on top of the wastewater tank, you can see we have the HEPA filter that we showed you earlier. And to dump out the water in the waste tank, you simply separate the upper half from the lower half to ensure that it doesn't leak. It has an O-ring around the upper half that you slide in. All right, I want to show you on the base of the vacuum, you have your release button of the roller brush window. You simply push each one of them and it unlocks it. Pulls off very easy for cleaning and removal of the brush. And to put it back on, you simply align the bracket on the bottom and push forward until it clicks in place. Very simple. And see here, we're looking at the bottom of the base. We have our two cleaning brushes, twice as powerful with the two brushes there, and you have your two solution sprayers. The last thing to do is to slide our control handle into its designated spot to make the contacts to get this all-in-one dry wet vac running. And I want to show you the multi-purpose smart base. You see it has a nice little storage spot there to put your wet brushes there after it's cleaned. And attach the charging arm to the base. Simply push down until you hear it lock. I need to charge up this unit before we can use it, and then we'll get to the hands-on review and show you how powerful this thing is. All right, my first project for my all-in-one wet dry vac is going to tackle this job in my pantry. And I got some stubborn stains here, and we're going to see how well it picks it up, cleans it, makes it look like new, I hope. It has 3 cleaning modes, and right now it's in the standard mode, and you're going to hear me switch it over to turbo mode, and there's also smart mode.
Turbo mode. Smart mode. Turbo mode.
What I really like about this all-in-one wet and dry vacuum is lightweight, it's self-propelled, easy to use, it cleans the floor, and then it dries the floor for you, so all you have to do is walk away and it's all done. Alright, my next example is in my bathroom, and I want to show you how easy it is to maneuver around objects. Like my toilet, you can get around in the back side of it, get around all into the corners. It just makes cleaning a breeze.
Turbo mode.
I want to show you how easy it is to clean the rollers on your wet and dry vacuum cleaner, just with one button push.
Hair cutting in progress. Self-cleaning started.
What's amazing is it can actually sense how clean your roller brushes are.
Roller brush cleaning in progress. Deep cleaning in progress. Cleaning completed. Please pour out the wastewater. Take out and dry the roller brush to avoid peculiar smell.
It's super easy to get these roller brushes out, push the buttons, pull the cover off, and just pop straight out the roller brushes. Alright folks, that's my review on the X100 cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner by UWANT. This thing's awesome, very versatile, lightweight. I like the self-cleaning on this thing. This is great. You just let it run and do its thing and set it up and dry as you saw at the end of the video here. Great for getting pet hair off the floors, cleaning tough spills on the floor. Great product. They got a $100 gift discount on it. Can't beat that either. So I hope the information was useful in this review and helping you make an educated decision whether to purchase this product or not, or any other products on my channel. So this is Captain Mark, always saying to you, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I got a lot more coming at you, so stay tuned.